Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. In this video, we're going to show you how to add portfolio in Upwork. So make sure to watch the video till the end so you won't miss any of these steps. So first, open your browser and go to your Upwork and make sure to log in with your account. Now here, as you can see on my dashboard, now what we're going to do here, just click on the Find Work tab right there at the top left beside the Upwork logo. So we're going to select the profile option right here. Once you click on profile, then you will now go to this page. So basically just have to wait for a few seconds and then you will find your profile page. Now here, just have to scroll down until you find the portfolio section. So from here, as you can see, you can basically click on the plus icon to add the portfolio or click on add items to impress clients. So once you click on this option here, basically you just have to fill up all the fields here. So first up, add portfolio project. So you just have to enter the project title right here. So for example, I'm going to put tutorial videos. All right. And then here on the second option, we have related Upwork job. Basically, this is optional, so we can leave it right here. And also we have completion date. This is also optional, so we're going to skip this. And once done here, you just have to tap or click on the go to select template right here at the bottom right corner. Here on select template, as you can see, choose how you want this project displayed to clients. You can always switch templates even after you publish. We have three portfolio type: gallery, case study, and classic. So in this sample, I'm going to select gallery. And then once you select this one, click on go to add details. Now you will now go to the third step, which is add details. And from here, you can basically add at least one file or video link to your project. So as you can see, you can add a video link from here. So we're going to open a YouTube channel or my own YouTube channel here. And then I'm going to go to the YouTube channel and I'm going to enter a video or select any video and copy the link. Click on share and then copy the link and then go back to Upwork page. And then you just have to click on that and paste the link here on this box. Okay, so once done here, you just have to click on the save button. Then we're going to enter also the caption of the video. So we're going to click on the add caption or enter a caption. And basically we can type, for example, tutorial video. All right. And then you can set this as project cover. So you can click on this one. So you can add multiple video links or more files from your computer. Now here, if you're going to scroll down a bit, you can find skills and deliverables. So you can enter skill here. So for example, I'm going to type content creation. We can add this one, and also we can add video editing and production. So right here. And once done, you can also paste the project URL if you want to and enter the project description. So for example, I will type I created and edited tutorial videos for a YouTube channel. There you go. Now once done, you just have to scroll down and click on go to preview. So here, as you can see the preview, your project title right here at the top, basically it's tutorial videos, and you'll find here the video sample from YouTube. You'll find the caption, skills and deliverables, and we have also the description and the current template. Okay, so once done here, you just have to click on the publish button right here at the bottom right. Now let's try to see your profile. Now once you added some details on your profile, so let's try to see my profile here. So I'm going to add a new tab. So copy the link first and then add a new tab and go to new incognito window and then paste the link here. press enter on your keyboard. And then as you can see, verifying you are human. And once the verification is successful, you'll find your profile page. If you scroll down, then you'll find your portfolio. So that's it. That's how you basically add portfolio in Upwork account. So if you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to this channel. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.